Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another market recap for you guys on the S&P 500. Going to be showing you guys exactly what we did today in the market, where we had our trade ideas and some of the trades that we took. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Also, if you guys are interested in learning how to plot the levels on the charts like we do to get some pretty good trade ideas and an understanding of the trade direction, feel free to join us here at Pure Structure Trading. We also will have some content and some lessons out there for you guys so you guys can learn as well. So make sure you guys stick around or look out for that as well. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we had some resistance levels up above. Now we had a smaller one right here, 38.55 to about 61 right here. The market just kind of pushed right through that level. Off the morning open, we were looking for the market to try to push up into that area. So we're just going to come right over here and get the rejection. We got a little bit of a rejection, but then the market ended up pushing right back up and taking us out on a couple of the shorts that we had on Sierra charts. And from there started to move up to our next area of resistance, and we kind of hit a nice supply and demand zone, and then from there started to push right back down. You can see this green bar and this red bar here. This is 60-minute chart, so you can see in between these hours, these bars, the market went up here to the top level of resistance, came right back down, came back up, tried to retest it, and then from there try to push to the downside. Now the idea was to get into the resistance levels and then try to target the levels down below, which is kind of what we were looking for, but it took a while to actually do that and make the drop happen. For the most part, off the US session, it was actually grinding to the upside, and then we caught some nice short opportunities off the top. But we did get stopped out when we took some of our trades on Sierra charts. But for the combine, we ended up taking some good profits as well, and we're going to show you guys what type of trades we took, and you're going to see in the videos as well some of the trades that we took and how they played out. But let's go ahead and move over into the Okay, so you can see here as we pull it up, we had a nice push to the upside here. This is a 5-minute chart, so you can see a little bit more clear. And it pushed up just a little bit above these 75s and then started to make its move right back down. And you can see some of the short opportunities we had as it started to get back underneath the 70. We got short 38.65, 38.66.25 for two contracts here. And you can see we took our profits 38.63 target, 38.63, and then we also had two other targets, 38.64.25. So we took some pretty decent profits on the push down, again 66.25 to 64.25, and then 65 we got it down into the 63. So we ended up taking about $400 in profit here on the push down on the combine, which is pretty good. And then we also had another trade off the micros, which we took a nice entry, 38.60.25 for two lots, and we got it down into 38.53. So that was a pretty good trade off the short as well. Could have got it down a little bit deeper, but then we saw that the market was going to start to catch some support right around these 44s, and we were there for a while until it decided to try to gradually pull back up to the upside and try to retest the top here. But we were trying to make it break down even deeper, but it didn't want to go right away, and again started to grind up. So we had to take our profits on the way down anyway. That's the best way to do it when you are trading, to make sure that you are taking your profits at the levels in which you're looking to get towards. So some pretty good decent trades on the combine. Still made decent profit on the Sierra charts, but off the morning I ended up getting stopped out off the first two short ideas that I had from the zone, and then we made up that profit on the way back down. And then I had to be patient again for the market to come back up and then get another short idea. So pretty good, but that's what we did so far on the combine. And that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys are interested in knowing what the levels are, we do post a market analysis for the London session. I would highly recommend you guys check those videos out as well to get some good ideas of where to go long and short in the market. And again, those levels kind of lean right into the US session open as well. For the majority of the time, we usually don't have to adjust too much when it comes to levels or the zones that we create. It kind of just flows right into the US session. So pretty good. But again, If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. And if you guys are going to continue to trade, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. You guys have a great night. Take care.